told you that I never wanted to, but then again I never really tell the truth.
So my name is Michelle Leqclerq. I'm originally from Argentina, and I'm a singer-songwriter who lives in LA. I knew I wanted to be a singer my whole life. Like, I would write songs since I was 5 years old. I would write about how I wanted to be a grown-up so I could skip school and like nobody could tell me what to do. So yeah, I guess all my life I've done like hip-hop dancing, I've done like musical theater. I used to play piano, violin, and guitar like since I was really young, so I always knew it. I never doubted it.
Wherever you go, I'll go. Wherever you go, I'll go.
Moving from Argentina to LA was really tough. Life is really different here. I moved here completely alone. So that was definitely hard. It was really hard to adjust to like new friendships because the culture is really different.
A bodysuit of armor underneath my clothes. I wait for your identity to be exposed.
Honestly, I write about all my experiences. Like every song I write comes from like something I lived or somebody I fell in love with or something I really like. I'm working on this song. I'm really excited about it. It's a collaboration with my best friend, Annalisa Corral. And it basically talks about being obsessed over somebody to the point where you give them qualities of God. Like where you put them on a pedestal and you're like, you know, I'll only worship you because you're the best thing I have, you know? It's like feeling like a wallflower. You feel like they shine so much that you don't feel as shiny as them, you know? So it's really exciting. It's gonna be in English and Spanish. The English version would be Annalisa's point of view, like her side of the story, and then the Spanish version would be my side of the story, talking about the same topic. And the reason why we're doing it together like girl and not like girl and boy, it's because we think that you could get obsessed over a friend, for example. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be like your boyfriend, or you could get obsessed over anything, honestly. I get obsessed over songs and I play them like repeat, you know? I guess we're all obsessive in the end.
Odio madrugar si tengo que trabajar, pero amo despertarme junto a ti.
I'm shifting more towards Spanish. It's definitely pop. It has some R&B influences, and it's very Latin. So I would describe it as very honest, and this is something that I struggle with because I don't always tell my stuff to people. I keep my secrets. I keep my emotions for myself. Like, I've always been the strong person. I'm scared of being vulnerable, and my songs are so honest that when I hop on stage, sometimes I gotta tell everything about them, and I'm learning to, you know, show my vulnerability, show my, you know, all my sides. So that's what my music is about.
Wherever you go, I'll go.